Okay, good evening, boys and girls. Now I'm going to discuss the ninth question paper. The test was conducted today, maths, that is on 16th of August, maths question paper. Let us discuss. I know the image is not clear, but don't worry, I'm going to read out the questions, okay? So you will not feel any issues, okay? There will be no issue. So what is the first question? Multiple choice. What is sign of the sign? Matlab, plus minus sign of the coordinate in fourth quadrant. So there are first quadrant, second, third, fourth. First is plus plus, right? Second is minus plus. Third is minus minus. Third is minus minus. And the fourth is plus minus. So the answer of fourth quadrant is plus minus. What is that option? Plus minus B option. B option was right. The second question, coordinate of a point on y-axis. Coordinate of a point on y-axis. See, y-axis matlab point will come here, right? So when this point is here, then that number will be something like 0, 1. So what we will write, the answer will be 0, comma y. Y will be some number. So this is the answer, B option. Again, B option, 0, comma y. So whenever the thing is there, so yeah, okay. So 0, comma y, right now. So if the point on y-axis means 0, comma y. Point on x-axis means what will come, boys and girls? Point on x-axis means what will come? X, comma 0. Remember, if the point on which axis? Point on x-axis. Remember this. Okay, this can be a question in your exam even. So the next question was third. Third question was in a triangle A is equal to, they gave 20, B they gave 17, and the semi-perimeter they gave 30. So then find the length of third side. So that means they are asking about C. Correct now, C. So we know A plus B plus C by 2. This is semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter they gave 30. This is 20 plus 17 plus C by 2. So we will 32s are. Okay, we will cross multiply. So what we will get here, I will do. So 32s are will get here 60. Okay, let us do little down only. So 32 are 60 will get, and 37 plus C. So if I take this one here, then I'm going to get here what? C is equal to 60 minus 37. So C is equal to 23, I think. Yeah, obviously 23. So what is that option? 23. So it looks like C option, right? 1 minute. 1 minute. Right. So C is equal to 60 minus 37 and C is equal to 23 will get. So which option it is? I think C option visible. Okay, it's 23. Right. Now fourth question. 1 minute. Let me erase few things. Okay. So this was the third one. No? Let us say the fourth one. Okay. The equal sides of an isosceles triangle they gave. Equal sides are A is equal to 12, B is equal to 12. Perimeter they gave 30 centimeter. Area of triangle. So we know, directly we can do now because it is for 1 mark. First of all, I will find out the C part. So A plus B plus C, perimeter 30. It looks like 12 plus, oh, this is 12 plus 12 plus C, 24. So C is equal to obviously 6, correct now, 30 minus. So I know area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle, already I know the formula, root 3a square by 4. Sorry, this is an isosceles triangle. So I need to do the formula method here. So it is not an equilateral triangle, it is an isosceles triangle. So let us find out semi-perimeter is perimeter by 2. 30 by 2 will get 15. Correct. Then let us see area of triangle, that is isosceles. S of S minus A, I am using Heron's formula. S of S minus A, S minus B, that formula. So S is 15 here. So we'll get 15 minus 12, 3. 15 minus 12, 3. 15 minus 6 is 9. Correct now? I'm not writing the formula and the minus and all because it is an objective question. So you know this is 15 minus 12. So I wrote 3 here. 15 minus 12. So I wrote 3 here. C is 6. So 15 minus 6 is 9. That's it. Yeah. So you can see this is the 2 square and this is also in perfect square itself. So I can write this is 15 into 3 square into 3 square. As 9 is there, so I will write that 3 square. So this square cancel this, so I will get 3 into 3 root 15. So pick out 9 root 15. Where is that? Which is that option? Centimeter square. Which is that option? 9 root 15. Yeah, it is an A option. So chalo, this is fourth one is done. So this one is this fifth one. Area of equilateral triangle is 16 root 3. So let us just, I will erase this question. This I will erase it. Okay. Okay, fifth one now. Area of equilateral triangle they gave. I know area of equilateral triangle root 3 a square by 4. They ask perimeter. You know, if I get a side, this a if I get, perimeter is 3a, I know. That now, perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3a, all the sides are equal. So this is 16 root 3 and this is root 3a square by 4. So I will cancel this root 3 and root 3. If you don't know directly to cancel and if you don't want to do also, so what you will do, this cross you take, okay? Divide by nothing is 1. So this is also 4, you cross it. So what you will get, 16 root 3 into 4 is equal to a square divided by root 3. Correct? So this root 3 cancel. So a square is equal to 64. So, you know, a is equal to root of 64. A is equal to 8. I mean, you need to do faster. So whatever the possible, you can reduce the step. Perimeter is 3a. So 3 into 8 is equal to 24 centimeter. Pick where is 24? Where is 24? Fifth question, where is 24? Okay. Perimeter of triangle should be at 24. But I think the options are not there in this. Right? So this should be 24 actually. But there are no options, so grace marks should be given. Okay. But 24 is the answer. Oh, we have done anywhere mistake. See, formula is correct. Okay. Calculation look perfect, so I don't think so. We have done a mistake. Options are not there. 64 actually. Okay. Mistake. Okay, no problem. Leave it. Next question. Let me erase again. There's one. Let me erase it. Let me erase. Okay, I am there in just. Next question is what? Let us read. Sixth question is what? The base of a triangle is 12. The base of a triangle is 12 centimeter. Height is 8 centimeter. Good. So base of a triangle is 12. Height is 8. And area of triangle. See, I mean, right angle triangle they did not mention, but height is there. I mean, yeah, height is given, so we need to understand the base area of triangle. Right angle triangle, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So half base is given, clearly mentioned. Height is 8, so just 48. Go for 48. This is C option. This was a sixth. Seventh question is what, coordinate of A. A is visible. Okay, let me erase few things. Right. So this is the I ready-made. Done it so that you can directly focus on the solution. Coordinates of A. This is the point A, right? So what are the coordinates of A? So it is on y-axis, right? So 0, 2. Y will come on 2. What was the B question? Coordinates ordinate theirs. Ordinate means y-axis, ordinate means y-axis. So ordinate of B, this is B. So this actually 3 minus 3 will come. So they ask ordinate, ordinate, this is ordinate, y-axis part. So minus 3. What is the C question? Abscissa of C. Abscissa matlab, x-axis. So this is C part. So this is C here. Minus 2 comma 0. Abscissa is minus 2 here. Finish. Okay, next question was what? Next question, if you say first one, perimeter of triangle is given 240. Okay. And two sides are given, like A is equal to 80 and B is equal to 60. Find the length of altitude on the, this is for example a triangle thing. So this is think it altitude and they said on it is on 60. So here compulsory we should give 60. Okay. Any A, B, C you can give your, anywhere you give 80 and C side you should find out. Perimeter is given. So what difficulty to find out C side for you, correct now? So if I'm not wrong, we can write P is equal to A plus B plus C, right? So 240 is equal to 80 plus 60, 140 we will write A plus B, 140 plus C. So C is equal to 100 we will get 100. Right now, that will quickly we are doing. So now C we got, we need to find out the height, actual height. So to find out the height, like if I know area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, then I must know height I want to find out. At least I should know base. Base is 0, okay, I know because base is 60. I should know area right now. So area I will find out by using Heron's formula. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So this is 80 plus 60 plus 100 by 2. So directly you can write perimeter by 2. Now yeah, perimeter is 240 by 2 is nothing but 120. So yes is equal to 120. Directly perimeter by 2 because perimeter is given. So why to waste our time in adding, right? Why to waste our time in adding? Oh, time is not there. Let us find out area now. Again, I will not write the formula. You know, everyone very familiar to the formula. S of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is 120, right? 120 minus 80. 120 minus 80 will get 40. 120 minus 60 will get 60. 120 minus 100 will get 20. Just go for the simplification. You should get an answer correct if we are done it correctly. So just I will split. This is 120 is it, right? So I know your 40 is, so I will just write 43 so I can get a square. This 40 as it is. So this is 60. I can write 23 because your 20 is there, so 60. 23 into 20. Done. Na? We got almost all the perfect square looks like this is 20, this is 20. And this is 40, this is 40. And this is 3 and this is 3. So go for a same color. Go for a same color. 40 square, 3 square, 20 square. You will get 20 into 3 into 40. 23 is a 60, 60, 2400. So this is what 2400. 1 minute. You get 2400. What you got? Area you got 2400. Okay. So 2400 was the area. 2400 centimeters square. Now I can write area is equal to half into base into height. So this is 2400 half. Base is given the 60, right? They only gave the side height on 60. Height we will find out. 20, 2 3s. So 2400 30 into h. H is equal to 2400 by 30. So if you cancel it 0 0 3 8s. H is equal to 80 centimeter. If they give meter, write down meter, right? So this is the answer. Meter they give, so write down in meter. Here also meter square, right? Meter square. Done. Any doubt? If you get it out, message me. Okay. Second one. The perimeter of a triangle is given. Perimeter is equal to 44 centimeter. The sides they give in the ratio. Find the area. It's very simple, yeah. So I can write semi-perimeter is equal to perimeter by 2. So this will get 44 by 2. But before that I need to find out the side. Okay, that also I will do. This is 22. So we got semi-perimeter 22 centimeter. Good. But I need to find out the sides also because it is in the form of ratio. So perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. So a perimeter is 44 and this is 9 is to 9x, 7x and 6x. So 44 is equal to 9, 10, 16, 22x will get. So we got x is equal to 44 by 22, 22 2s are. So we get 2, x is equal to 2. So now you can find out each side, right? Each side. A is equal to 9x. So 9 into 2 is equal to 18. Let me erase little more part. So A we got and B was 7x. So 7 into 2, 14, and C 6x. So 6 into 2, 12. Let us go for area. Area is equal to semi-perimeter. Already I got it something 22, I think. Now perimeter by 2 it was. Semi-perimeter 22. Okay. So area by using, we can go for Heron's formula. S of S minus S, so 22. 22 minus 18. 4. 22 minus 14. 8. 22 minus 12. So 10. Simplify this. So what you will simplify now? This is 22 is in. So 2 into 11. 2 into 11. Correct. So I cannot 2 into 11. This is 2 square. 4 is this, so 2 square will be better. 4 2s are and 2 5s are. Correct now. So what are the perfect squares? We will try to see. This is already a perfect square. Okay. So this 2 we will take, and even it is a perfect square. So rest all we can't do anything here. Sorry. So this we may, I will just write first perfect square, 2 square, 4 also 2 square, another 2 square. Remaining will be 2 into 11 into 5. These 3 are not a perfect square. So we will get what? 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 22 5 11 55 110. So 8 root 110 will get. So now you need to find out the root 110 by division method. So your last, from last you should go. From last. So 1 1s are 1. 1 minus 1 0. 2. So 2 will not go. I mean, this 10 will not go. So you have to take another 2 zeros down by keeping point. When it does go, so you have to keep 0. Here also 0. So I think it will get around 10.48. So 8 into 10.5. So around 85 something. Let us see, multiply 8 5s are 40. 8 0 0 4. 84. Yeah, 84 centimeters square something. If you don't know that, I can show you this, even the division method. Let's see properly. 110. I taught you. So pair from last you should do. 1 1s are 1. 1 1 minus 0. So plus 1 2. If you take down 10, it will not go. So 0 and 0. Then take 2 zeros down by keeping point. As it becomes 1000. Now you can take 4, I think. 204 into 4. Correct now. 810 it will get. So 4 4 are 16, sorry. So it is 816. Okay. So remaining will be how much, Baba? 184. Okay, another 2 zeros take down. Now what you will do? Take your addition of 4, 208. Try the number 2088. We are thinking for 8. Okay, so 8 is a 64. 70. 7, 8 is a 16. This is only better. 8. So 10.48 is nothing but 10.5 approximate, and we multiply. So this is the answer. If any doubt, message me. We will help you out. Don't worry. If anything is it. But it is that's much only. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye.